Hey all, and welcome. Today we're taking a deep dive into this beautiful piece, the Swiss Arms 1911 70 stainless. It's a really pretty piece. It's finally here. It's an airgun, not an airsoft pistol, which is an important distinction, but we'll get into that later. Just some information and warnings. Not important. Here's what's important. The gun itself. Wow. It's heavy. Wow, look at this. Huh, I thought this was engraved, but it sticks out actually. I do wish the slide was, the barrel was polished though. But stay tuned for that. Let's see what else we have in the box. Some complimentary free BBs. The tool and this adapter so you can put a mock silencer or something, barrel extension on it. My first impression, wow. Yeah, it feels incredible in the hand. And the brushed surface looks fantastic and gives that classic look. It really does feel real. This is plastic though, but it's really well made. I'll probably get that replaced with real wood. Nice. Feels really solid. Okay, let's dive into some facts. This is a CO2 powered airgun and it fires 4.5 millimeter BBs, metal, instead of the 6 millimeter plastic BBs. These are bio. And it has a full metal construction, and it has a realistic weight, about 905 grams, and that's a lot, and you can really feel it, especially with a magazine inside. It has an 18 round capacity, and the muzzle velocity is around 314 FPS, and that's approximately 96 meters per second. One of the major advantages of this pistol is that you can field strip it in the same way that you can field strip a real 911. This isn't just for show, it's a crucial part of maintenance, especially for lubricating the moving parts. Like so. And careful so it doesn't pop off, and just slide it off. And then you have the frame and the slide. And out comes the barrel. I will definitely get this polished. It doesn't look so good in gray, if you ask me. It's better when it's, polished. Yeah, okay. Should we compare this gun to a different gun? That's an airsoft gun. Yeah, let's do that. What I have here is the Vorsk VX9 Agency. This is a classic example of an airsoft pistol that fires 6 millimeter plastic BBs. These. Visually, it's about the same. It's based on the 911 platform as well, except this one is more aggressive. Custom grips, custom slide. This one has that brushed look, and I don't know what to call this, matte at least. It's not processed, but this one, it has a more polished look. and this one has the polished barrel. It's really nice. So let's see it. Like so. It's even way louder. Both are really nice though, but this one just feels more solid. And besides, you can do it like that to release the hammer. You can't that on this one. I think I want to put this grip on that one until I get some real Patchmeyer grips, but we'll see. Let's load it up. Oh, and before we do that, I want to show you something. This one comes with the extended barrel. So you can put on a silencer like so. I haven't been able to find extended barrels for this one, but look at this. It will fit. So should I find some barrel extension, or maybe the barrel itself in a longer version, or maybe some foam to fill this one with, I might actually adapt it to this one instead of finding a new one to use with the adapter. We'll see. Let's get these babies loaded up. I struggle a little bit with focus here, but that's because I use a different lens now. We'll just use 5 in each. So you load it up down here. I was told it's always smart to put a little drop of lubricant on there. This is brand new. And 1 and 2 and whoop, a little bit more than necessary, but that's because I'm not used to this anymore. It's now loaded. I am such a noob. Let's load up the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's get the gas. Should be enough. Let's get them to the range. This is the kind of target I will be shooting at from 10 meters away. So I'm a little rusty, but we'll see how that went. Yep, definitely a little rusty. My leg is broken, so I struggle walking around, and I was shooting while I was out of breath. So yeah, we'll have to do a different test later. And now for the second one. Okay, let's try that again. Let's have a look. Yep. I need more practice later. Okay. So you saw me fire it and you saw me... yeah. My accuracy was way off. So it wasn't really a fair test. I have to redo that later when my leg has healed up a little bit better. Being exhausted while shooting isn't exactly the greatest idea. But anyway, what did I think? This one is easier to see with the sights than this one. But this one definitely felt more solid. And we'll just have to wait and see, I guess. I really liked it, that I did. But I definitely have to upgrade it a little bit. And speaking of upgrades and modifications, the easiest upgrade or modification you can do is to swap out the grips. Like I said, I think I will install these grips until I can get some real Pachmeyer grips for this one later. And what else? Well, I definitely want a new hammer. The tactical hammer, I think. And a skeleton trigger. And I'll definitely get the slide polished a little more to remove the markings. And of course the barrel. I might even get all the flat sides polished. That's it, I guess, for now. And my final thoughts: it's a really nice gun. I don't regret buying it. I almost went with the Remington version, but that one didn't have the threaded barrel. And for me that's a must because I really want to install that Mach silencer on it. And what do you think? Do you own an airgun or airsoft 1911? Which one is your favorite? Have you done any modifications? If there's something I missed, something you want to know or something you want to share, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we begin to customize it. Don't forget to subscribe.